Yo, what up everybody? Got a quick little unboxing video for you guys today. Got a package in the mail this morning, but I didn't have enough time to open it, so we're gonna open it tonight, right now. Let's get right into it. So we got the box it came in right over here. We crack this bad boy open, and we get a beautiful package. The sun is warm and makes me happy. So it's got some nice Talking Terps designs on this bag. It's actually a resealable bag, so I can keep this. That's really good. I'm happy about that. The Watcher of the Woods, Tender of the Trees, and Terp Crawford, we believe. Terp Crawford approved, so that's the little guy there. Warning, this product can expand your horizons. A state of being known to increase love, energy, positive feels, and overall happy vibration. For more info, go to Talking Terps. Get some of your soft goods over there. I thought it came in a box. Like, normally they have a soft good container that comes, like, that's what my shirt came in, but I don't mind. You know? It's still a very nice bag. And then I got this little Talking Terps keychain in yellow color, because I got the other keychain and actually really liked it. So yeah, some more decorations. I love that kind of shit. And so first, oh dang, I already have this postcard. Oh well, maybe I can like sell it or something. So it comes with a postcard. I already have this one though. It comes with a card of verification. So this is product number 230. And it's got like a little design on the other side, so that's like the design that's on the sweater. I really like the design for this one. And then cool, they gave a little like bookmark tag. This tag looks better in a book than in a waste bin. So yeah, a little Talking Terps tag. I don't have one of those, so that's cool. There was a hair on it. Where'd it go? Now for the main part. I'm super excited for this piece, so yeah. Talking Terps Crewneck sweater. Got it in size large. I love the tag. It's like so bougie and just like fancy. Speckled design. This was actually made in Canada, so another reason I wanted this, a Canadian made piece. So that back design, higher power. Oh, it's so fire. That's so nice. Really high quality print too. That's really high quality. Because I was worried about that because like even this, it's not embroidered. I really love embroidery because like it just lasts forever. It's good quality. But this is really high quality print, so I'm okay with it. And the speckled is actually really nice on this. It looks a bit, I thought it looked a bit small, but it actually looks like pretty nice fitting. So I'm really excited to give this a try. Take some pictures. And yeah. Honestly, I'll just try it on for the video. Okay, got a better camera angle. Put this box away. Yo, also peep this shirt. This is fire. Kind of like that. Got that same psychedelic, like, similar vibe to it. It's a Nike shirt. I'm like surprised they've been getting into more of those psychedelic designs, but I love it. It's my favorite. So, here, one sec. So now let's try it on and see how this thing fits. The most important part. And the scariest part, honestly, of buying anything is always trying it on, because everything fits different. Like, sizing is not universal at all. See, this thing fits like, it's like fitted. Like, it just fits me. See, like, it literally, like, just fits me. It goes really well with the pants, though. I got these purple pants on. Can't really see in the video. I need better camera setup. But yeah, that's the Talking Terps new release for this week, or last week. I really fuck with it. Yeah, it's dope as fuck. So, thanks for watching, everybody. If you like the stuff, if you like the video, got any questions, comments, anything like that, you can always let me know in the comments. And I'll be sure to be buying more stuff all the time. I got a spending problem. Look at that speckled design. Yeah, I got a big spending problem, so I'm always buying stuff. So yeah, 100% cotton, made in Canada. We love to see that. Canadian boy out here doing his thing. Higher power, you know what it is. Talking Terps. Got that sick apparel going for them. That's sick, those sick designs. So yeah, we got Maya here. Wow, that was in the video the whole time. So we got Maya here. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Really love this sweater. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, seeing me check it out, unbox it with the keychain too. It was really good, really big spend. It was actually a really expensive sweater. I think it was like $130 American, and then like the conversion and shipping. Buying stuff in Canada is tough. Yeah, this is a large. And it's perfect fitted, and I'm usually like medium to large. I can even usually wear mediums, but this, it would have been like way small and medium. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, let me know anything. This channel is just the beginning. It's a big iceberg. We're only at the top. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it floating. Let's go. Peace out, guys.